Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today's class is to demonstrate the process of transmitting data to supOS platform through OPC DA protocol. So OPC is an agreement that uses Microsoft's COM or DCOM technology to achieve automatic control over edge devices. It is widely applied to factory control systems such as DCS, SCS, and SCADA. And above that, OPC-DA is the communication protocol that supports the highest frequency among OPC protocols, and that is what we demonstrate today. And OPC-DA has some obvious features that includes large transmission volume with stable and reliable output. And because the DCOM configuration is complex, so the troubleshooting might not be easy. And with its open permissions, the security level is low. Since I don't have an OPC server on site today, so I will not be demonstrating the process of configuring DCOM. But they are all listed on our official site under demo OPC DA here, step by step in detail. And you can just go through the whole process just according to this document. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us anytime. And after you finish the DCOM configuration, what you need to do is to use an OPC client to test whether the data can be correctly collected. Okay, and you need to download and install OPC client. Since I have downloaded, so I'm gonna open it. And because I don't have an OPC server today, so I use another application to simulate the data. It's called this. Let me show you. Metric OPC server for Explorer for simulation. This whole set. You can use it for simulation, but if you have an OPC server, you can just use this OPC client for debugging. Okay, so now it's pretty flexible. Because this simulation server is on my computer, so this OPC client will automatically detect it and recognize it and just display it here. So this is actually my computer IP. So it's also the server's IP, right? You can refresh it. So there's the available server. Server name is this. Then click OK. And then you can check the tags connected to this server. See, let's try random. It's 2, 4. You can just whatever you want, and that'll be enough for me. So here, seeing the changing data, that means the OPC server is working properly. So after the debugging, what we can do is to connect the server to supOS platform. To do that, first of all, we need to log into Super Collector. And under RTD Collector source, we need to add a new source, that is OPC-DA, and select the driver and just keep them as default. And here, this is the configuration of our OPC server, and this would be my IP refresh, and there will have the available OPC server here. You can just select this, and here you can just leave them as default, save it, and now you can see import tags in batch to import tags that is connected to this server. Let's click synchronize. You can select some tags you need, and then click import to tag. Okay, so now we have imported 7 tags to this source. And then after that, we need to go to supOS platform to add a collection node for this server, right? So let's common collector. Okay, and then open it, copy this UUID, and then go back to Super Collector under connection info, add another one, And the supOS server IP is this, and the name is this, UUID, paste it. Let's just click save. Okay, now let's go back to supOS platform. Under status, review. Let's refresh the page. Why didn't I see this OPCD? Okay, here, audit, check the information, click OK. Now it's online. So now we have connected the OPC server to supOS platform. What we need to check now is to see whether the data is connected to supOS platform. That is under object model management, object instance, collector template. There is supposed to be a OPC DA here, instance, and inside it there are attributes. You can see those are the tags that we have added, imported in super collector, right? So that's the whole process of transmitting data to supOS platform through OPC DA protocol. And that's it. Thanks for watching.